Objectives of biology. Biology is the study of life. What are some of its objectives? Biology makes observations about organisms from tiny, like bacteria, to large, like trees. It includes single-cell organisms like bacteria and viruses and huge multicellular organisms. Biology attempts to understand how organisms function on all levels of order, from the molecular level to the organ system level. Levels of organization in biology. Biology, the study of life. Organizations may include bacteria, amoeba, mushrooms, plants, and/or animals. Levels of organization. Molecular level, such as DNA. Cellular level, the organismal level, and the multi-organism level. Branches of biology. Biology may be classified by function, such as anatomy, which is the study of living things and their structures. Genetics, how information is transmitted. Ecology, how a group of living things interacts with each other and with their environment. Function may be classed based on physiology, how a body actually works. Biology may also be classified by its objectives. For instance, microbiology, which is the study of very small living things. Botany, the study of plants. Zoology, the study of animals. Anthropology, the study of human beings. Marine biology, things living in the ocean. Or cell biology, which is the study of cells. Life sciences, biology. What are the common features of living organisms? Well, living organisms require organization. They also have to be able to reproduce. They must be able to respond to stimuli. Living organisms have a requirement for energy. The energy can be in different forms depending on the organisms. That is, they can be phototrophs and photosynthesize, or chemotrophs. Living organisms grow and develop. Finally, living organisms must be able to maintain homeostasis, which is the ability to have a stable internal environment. 4 basic theories. What are 4 of the major theories that much of modern biology is based on? Well, there's gene theory. Genes are coded for heritable properties. Theory of evolution, survival of the fittest. Cell theory. This theory states that living things are made up of cells. And homeostasis. Homeostasis, organisms have the ability to maintain a relatively stable internal environment. Let's look at these more closely. Cell theory. Cell theory states that all living things are made up of cells. All cells come from pre-existing cells. This is an example of cell division, daughter cells coming from one parent cell. The cell is the structural and functional unit of all living things. This is an example of cell differentiation. A stem cell arising from bone marrow may differentiate into an abundance of other types of cells. Gene theory. Gene theory states that all genetic information is stored in DNA as genes. Genes are the unit of inheritance. DNA may be transcribed into RNA and translated into protein. Traits are passed from one generation to the next in discrete units or genes. Theory of evolution. The London Sketchbook, Professor Darwin. Living organisms have descended with modification from species that lived before them. Evolution versus creation. Natural selection is the driving force for evolution. All living organisms struggle for existence. All organisms can adapt to their environment. Better adapted individuals or species survive. This is survival of the fittest. Homeostasis. Homeostasis is a living organism's ability to maintain a constant, balanced internal environment. In the human body, examples of homeostasis include blood glucose levels, body temperature, pH of blood, and ionic strength of body fluids. The purpose of homeostasis is to ensure the proper functioning of the body. Loss of homeostasis could result in illness or even death.